Hey there, are you running into that annoying "there was an error saving to camera roll" message when you try to save photos or videos from social media apps like Facebook or Instagram? We totally get how frustrating that can be. This usually means there might be an issue with the app's permission or your iPhone storage settings, but don't worry, we've got some easy steps for you to troubleshoot and get things back on track. Solution 1. Check app permissions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on the app you're having trouble with. Next, look for the apps that are allowed to save photos. This could be Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other social media app. After that, select the app you want to check. Tap on Photos. Finally, choose Full Access to ensure that the app can save media. Solution 2. Remove restrictions. Next, open Settings, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, then scroll down to find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to disable this feature. Solution 3. Free up storage space. Now go back to the Settings app. Scroll down again. Then tap on General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Check if you have enough available storage. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting any unnecessary apps, photos, or videos to create some space. Once you've cleared up some storage, try saving the media again. Solution 4. Delete and reinstall the app. To start, tap and hold the app you're having issues with. Then tap Delete to remove it. After that, head over to the App Store. Search for the app you just deleted. Next, reinstall it. Finally, restart your iPhone to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that pesky "there was an error to saving to camera roll" issue on your iPhone. If the problem still persists, consider reaching out to the app's support team or Apple support for the help. You've got this.